two documents found in a cabinet and couch of the late Aretha Franklin, which caused rifts in her family since her death in 2018, have come under the spotlight. The singer's handwritten will found in her couch after her death is a valid Michigan will, a jury said on Tuesday, a critical turn in a dispute that has turned 3 of her 4 sons against each other. It's a victory for Franklin's second oldest and youngest children, whose lawyers had argued that the papers dated 2014 should override a 2010 will that was discovered around the same time in a locked cabinet at the Queen of Souls home in suburban Detroit, according to the jury's decision. The dispute over the will has caused divisions within the family. Aretha Franklin's oldest child, Clarence, lives with special needs in an assisted living facility in Michigan and remains uninvolved in the legal battle. His guardian's lawyer confirmed that they have reached a settlement that gives Clarence a percentage of the estate without regard to the outcome of the will contest. When Aretha Franklin passed away at the age of 76 after a battle with pancreatic cancer, she did not leave behind a formal, typewritten will. However, 2 handwritten documents emerged in 2019 when her niece, Sabrina Owens, searched the home for records. These documents, with scribbles and hard-to-decipher messages, have now become the center of the ongoing legal dispute. In a letter filed in a Detroit court, Owens expressed her thoughts on the situation. Given my aunt's love of family and desire for privacy, this is not what she would have wanted for us, nor is it what I want. I love my cousins, hold no animosity towards them, and wish them the best. The value of Franklin's assets has significantly decreased since her death. Originally estimated at $80 million, recent evaluations and unpaid taxes have led to a substantial decline, with the estate now estimated at $6 million. Despite the financial challenges, Franklin's estate managers have been diligently managing the affairs. They have been responsible for paying bills, settling millions in tax debts, and generating income through music royalties and other intellectual property. However, the unresolved issue of the will has added complexity to the administration of the estate. While the 2010 and 2014 versions of the will have differences, they both indicate that Franklin's 4 sons would share income from music and copyrights. The details of how the assets will be distributed and the ongoing family dynamics will continue to shape the outcome of this legal battle over the iconic singer's estate. The older will, dated 2010, included a unique provision that required Kecalf, 53, and Edward Franklin, 64, to pursue business education and obtain a certificate or degree in order to benefit from the estate. However, this provision was not present in the 2014 version of the will that was discovered in the couch. The differences between the 2 wills have become a point of contention among the family members. During the court proceedings, Ted White II, who played guitar with Aretha Franklin, testified against the validity of the 2014 will. He expressed that his mother typically handled important documents in a conventional and legal manner, seeking assistance from an attorney. White's testimony suggested that the handwritten will may not align with Franklin's usual practices. Don Wilson, an entertainment lawyer who had represented Franklin for nearly 3 decades, shed light on her approach to estate planning. He revealed that he had strongly advised Franklin to establish a will and a trust, emphasizing the importance of formal planning. However, Wilson also acknowledged Franklin's private nature, speculating that she may have been hesitant to share personal information with an attorney. This could have led her to write the wills herself, as reflected in the handwritten document found in the couch. Aretha Franklin, often referred to as the Queen of Soul, was a legendary American singer and songwriter who left a lasting mark on the music industry. Born on March 25, 1942, in Memphis, Tennessee, Franklin's incredible talent and powerful voice propelled her to become one of the most iconic and influential artists of all times. Over the course of her career, she achieved numerous milestones and accolades, solidifying her status as a true music legend. Franklin's musical journey began at a young age, influenced by her gospel singer mother. She signed her first recording contract with Columbia Records in 1960, but it was her subsequent move to Atlantic Records in 1966 that catapulted her to stardom. With songs like Respect, Chain of Fools, and Think, Franklin's soulful and emotive performances resonated with audiences worldwide. Her unique ability to infuse gospel, R&B, and hip-hop into her music created a sound that was distinctly hers. Throughout her career, Franklin amassed an impressive list of accomplishments. She received a staggering 18 Grammy Awards, making her one of the most decorated artists in Grammy history. In 1987, she became the first woman to be inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, solidifying her status as a trailblazer and pioneer. Franklin's contribution to music and culture were recognized with numerous honors and accolades, including the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2005. Aside from her musical achievements, Franklin's net worth was a topic of interest. At the height of her career, her assets were estimated to be around $80 million. However, due to recent estimations and unpaid taxes, her estate's value was decreased to approximately $6 million. Despite her passing in 2018, Aretha Franklin's legacy continues to resonate. Her powerful voice, impeccable artistry, and fearless advocacy for civil rights and social justice made her an icon and a symbol of empowerment. Franklin's music transcends generations, and her influence can be heard in the works of countless artists who have been inspired by her. She will forever be remembered as a musical pioneer and a force to be reckoned with. Aretha Franklin's remarkable career, extraordinary talent, and immense contributions to music have solidified her status as one of the greatest artists of all time. Her net worth may have fluctuated over the years, but her impact on the industry and her enduring legacy remain invaluable. Aretha Franklin's powerful voice and soulful performances will continue to captivate audiences for generations to come, ensuring that her influence and contributions to music will never be forgotten. Are you a fan of the famous Aretha Franklin? What's your favorite song? Let us know in the comment section below. And subscribe to Pop Culture HQ for more updates on other celebrities in Hollywood.